Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In this video, we'll explore the various reasons behind a rough driving experience, from suspension issues to tire problems, helping you diagnose and address the factors that contribute to an uncomfortable ride. Join us as we delve into these common causes and provide insights on how to rectify them, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable driving experience. Understanding the causes of a bumpy car ride. Are you experiencing a bumpy car ride and wondering why? Bumpy rides can be caused by a variety of factors, from worn-out suspension components to tire issues. Understanding the potential culprits behind a rough ride can help you diagnose and address the problem effectively. In this post, we will explore the common causes of a bumpy car ride, providing you with insights to identify and resolve the issue, ensuring a smoother and more comfortable driving experience. What causes a bumpy car ride? Car tires can lead to a bumpy ride if they are improperly inflated, worn out, or have uneven tread wear. These issues can result in decreased traction and increased road vibration, causing a less smooth ride. Suspension problems. A faulty or worn-out suspension system can greatly impact the comfort of a car ride. Issues such as worn-out shocks or struts, damaged or broken springs, or deteriorated suspension bushings can contribute to a bumpy driving experience. Steering and alignment problems. Misaligned wheels and steering system problems can lead to an uneven and bumpy ride. Improper wheel alignment can cause the vehicle to pull to one side, leading to a noticeable decrease in ride comfort. Brake system issues. Brake problems such as warped brake rotors or uneven brake pad wear can cause the vehicle to shake and vibrate when braking, resulting in a bumpy ride experience for the driver and passengers. Problems with shock absorbers. Worn out or damaged shock absorbers can significantly impact the smoothness of a car ride. When shock absorbers fail to function properly, the vehicle's ability to absorb road imperfections diminishes, leading to a rough and uncomfortable driving experience. Tire issues affect ride quality. Uneven tire wear. Uneven tire wear can occur due to various factors such as misaligned wheels, suspension problems, or improper tire inflation. When tires wear unevenly, it can lead to a bumpy ride as the tires no longer make uniform contact with the road surface. This can result in vibrations and a lack of smoothness, affecting the overall comfort of the ride. Low tire pressure. Low tire pressure is a common issue that directly impacts ride quality. Underinflated tires can reduce stability and lead to increased rolling resistance, making the ride feel rough and unstable. Additionally, a decrease in tire pressure can compromise the tire's ability to absorb shocks from the road, further contributing to a bumpy ride. Worn-out tires. As tires wear out, their ability to provide a smooth ride diminishes. Worn-out treads reduce traction and handling, increasing the likelihood of a bumpy and noisy ride. Furthermore, old tires are more susceptible to impact damage from road imperfections, exacerbating the discomfort experienced by passengers. Tire balancing. Improperly balanced tires can cause noticeable vibrations and an overall rough driving experience. When the weight distribution around the tire is uneven, it can lead to jolts and shakiness, significantly affecting ride quality. Proper tire balancing is essential to minimize these disturbances and ensure a smoother, more comfortable drive. Impact of suspension problems on ride quality. When your car's suspension system is not functioning optimally, it can have a significant impact on the smoothness and comfort of your ride. Here's a closer look at the specific ways in which suspension issues can cause a bumpy and uncomfortable driving experience. Uneven tire wear. Suspension problems can lead to uneven tire wear, causing the tires to develop irregular patterns of wear and tear. This can result in an imbalanced and shaky ride as the tires struggle to maintain consistent contact with the road surface. Reduced stability. A faulty suspension system can compromise the stability of the vehicle, leading to a noticeable increase in body roll when navigating corners or uneven road surfaces. This lack of stability can make the ride feel unpredictable and unsettling. Impact on handling. Suspension issues can negatively affect the car's handling, making it more challenging to maintain control, especially over rough or uneven terrain. This can result in a jarring and less predictable driving experience, reducing overall comfort for the driver and passengers. Comfort and smoothness. Ultimately, a compromised suspension system directly impacts the overall comfort and smoothness of the ride. Bumps and imperfections in the road surface are more keenly felt, leading to a less enjoyable driving experience for everyone on board. Summary. The impact of suspension problems on ride quality is undeniable, affecting everything from tire wear to overall comfort. Addressing these issues promptly is crucial to ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable driving experience. Steering and alignment problems and ride comfort. When your car's steering and alignment are off, it can lead to a bumpy and uncomfortable ride. Misaligned wheels can cause the car to pull to one side, creating an uneven driving experience. This can result in jolts and vibrations that make the ride less comfortable for you and your passengers. It's important to have your alignment checked regularly to ensure a smooth and stable driving experience. Ride comfort. Ride comfort is essential for an enjoyable driving experience. When your car's suspension system is compromised, it can lead to a bumpy and jarring ride. Worn-out shocks and struts can result in increased bouncing and instability, making the ride uncomfortable and unsettling. Additionally, issues with the car's tires, such as uneven wear or low tire pressure, can also contribute to a less comfortable ride. Regular maintenance and addressing any suspension or tire issues can significantly improve ride comfort. The role of brake system issues in bumpy rides. Brake system issues can significantly impact the smoothness of your car's ride. Understanding how these issues contribute to a bumpy experience can help you address them effectively. Worn brake pads. Worn brake pads can lead to uneven braking, causing the vehicle to jerk when slowing down. This sudden jerking can result in a bumpy ride for passengers as the vehicle's momentum fluctuates. Warped brake rotors. Warped brake rotors can cause the steering wheel to shake during braking, which can translate into a bumpy sensation for passengers. This issue is often felt more intensely at higher speeds. Faulty anti-lock braking system, ABS. A malfunctioning ABS can lead to erratic braking, manifesting as a jarring and uneven ride. The ABS is vital for maintaining stability during sudden stops, and any issues with this system can contribute to a rough driving experience. Uneven brake caliper pressure. Uneven brake caliper pressure can lead to uneven application of brakes on different wheels, causing the vehicle to lurch and jolt. This inconsistency in braking can result in an uncomfortable and bumpy ride. Our conclusion so far is that addressing brake system issues promptly is essential for a smooth and comfortable driving experience. Regular inspections and maintenance can help identify and resolve these issues, ensuring a safer and more pleasant ride for you and your passengers. Understanding shock absorber problems. Signs of worn shock absorbers. When your shock absorbers are in poor condition, your car's performance can suffer. Look out for signs such as excessive bouncing, poor steering response, or uneven tire wear. If you notice a nosedive when braking or excessive sway when turning, it might be time to inspect your shock absorbers for wear and tear. Impact of worn shock absorbers on ride quality. Worn shock absorbers can significantly impact your car's ride quality, leading to a bumpy and uncomfortable ride. Furthermore, compromised shock absorbers can affect your vehicle's stability and handling, posing a safety risk for you and other road users. If left unaddressed, this can lead to further damage to your car's suspension system and other components. Regular maintenance and replacement. To ensure a smooth and safe driving experience, it's crucial to have your shock absorbers regularly inspected and replaced as needed. Routine maintenance can help identify issues early and prevent more extensive damage, ultimately saving you time and money in the long run. When replacing shock absorbers, consider high-quality options that are designed to provide long-lasting performance and improved ride comfort. In conclusion, a bumpy car ride can be caused by various factors such as worn-out shock absorbers, unbalanced or misaligned wheels, low tire pressure, or issues with the suspension system. Regular maintenance and timely inspection of these components can help in identifying and addressing the root cause of the problem, ensuring a smoother and safer driving experience. Understanding the potential causes of a bumpy car ride is crucial for maintaining vehicle safety and performance. If you found this video helpful or insightful, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.